I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Last weekend we were treated to rain across most of Oklahoma. Locations in a wide band from Waurika to Ada to Sallisaw received 2 to 3 inches of rain. Those are the dark green areas on our rainfall map. Most places in the lighter green map areas received close to 1.5 inches. The areas colored blue on the map had less than an inch, and unfortunately the panhandle was left out completely. On a map of soil moisture change at 10 inches, the soils that received the most benefit from last weekend's rain are colored green. Another new option for looking at soil moisture is Mesonet's new percent plant available water. Plant available water is the amount of water crops and landscape plants can draw from the soil column. When a soil has 100% of its plant available water at the beginning of spring, it's like having a full tank of gas to start a long trip. A percent plant available water map for the surface down to 16 inches from the day before last weekend's rain showed the state split in about half between the wetter areas colored a green shade and the drier areas colored yellow or brown. After the rain, we see more areas colored dark green in that 90 to 100% soil moisture range. As expected, we see no change in the panhandle areas and only slight improvement in western areas of Oklahoma. Another part of rain events in the spring and fall is the cold air that sweeps in behind the rain. On Monday morning, March 17th, air temperatures fell into the 20s across most of Oklahoma. The Burbank and Oilton Mesonet sites dropped all the way down to 18. Radiational cooling was enhanced by low wind speeds. A map of wind from 7:45 on Monday morning showed that most Oklahoma locations had calm winds with wind speeds below 5 miles per hour. Burbank and Oilton, the coldest locations, recorded no wind. They were at 0. Tuesday, March 18th, brought warmer air temperatures, but it also delivered clouds of dust from intense winds. At 7:20 Tuesday night, Hooker-colored purple came in with an average wind speed of 41 miles per hour. Winds blew hard across western Oklahoma, blowing up dust and driving it into central Oklahoma. Drought-designated areas have been expanding in Oklahoma so far this year. The Southwest remains in exceptional drought classification D4. That is the highest drought level. The red areas are considered in extreme drought D3. D2, the orange areas, fall into the severe drought category. Central Oklahoma is in moderate drought, tan. Yellow areas indicate abnormally dry conditions. This coming week, we could see some wetter conditions and cooler temperatures. Let's hope that happens. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.